So here I am at work today, trying to get things done, but I'm just super distracted with missing my kids. So, Music Mondays is about to post for the first time for my elementary kids on Facebook. And so I just thought it'd be fun to maybe pretend on who they would be.
There's so much
Music teacher! Hey, music teacher! I see you! I see you on Facebook! Music teacher! Hey! Music teacher! I wanted to tell you, can we dance today? Is it time to dance right now?
Any of those other often post some extra things.
Hey! There she is! There she is! Mom, that's my music teacher. Mom, the Addams Family. Do-do-do-do.
Go to that link.
Do-do-do-do. 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 Why is she talking so much? Oh,
Some of the cool things that
hate those days.
we know that music existed before this.
Music teacher.
My belief is music has existed as long as
So,
it's existed.
did the knights have
So,
swords?
I'm sure
Oh.
the very first person sang.
Did they play instruments? Do they dance in that armor? Cause that'd be kind of cool.
Might have written words down
No?
as time went on.
Can we dance a baby shark today?
Developed.
Would that be cool?
Sure, there are words written down, but we don't have any
Okay.
manuscript of music
All right.
per se.
And the Renaissance period went from 1400 to 1600. And Renaissance,
You kind of lost me when you talked about
that new birth,
medieval,
new beginning.
Renaissance.
And music and art
I don't know.
really correlate together.
No, are we gonna do music today? Are we gonna?
So there were new things.
Are we gonna do it?
that had not happened
Like,
before.
are we gonna play instruments today?
We will be looking at
I have to go to the
a
bathroom.
little bit from Renaissance, but yeah. So
Fourth grade, band instruments. This is about me. Yay. Is the piano in band? How about guitar? Can I play guitar? Can I play a violin? Mrs. Robinson, violin. Can I play violin in band?
Right?
Well, this is band instruments. I'm already in band, so I don't really need to know this information. Mom, can I stop watching the music thing now? Mom. Oh, hey, Mrs. Robinson, it was fun to see you though. That was pretty cool.
Most of them
And gongs and break drums and
So,
there are so
what you're saying is like all those instruments were in band.
we use a lot.
Did we do this before
in
already?
music class when we're creating songs and rhythm songs.
I don't know that I really need to know
whackers
this.
And all that. That's all percussion instruments.
Dude, stop
not
it.
just a drum or a drum set. So I don't want you to get that caught in your head because it's a lot more.
What?
It's a lot
What? I wasn't doing
harder
anything. No, I
than
didn't kick her.
What you think?
No.
Like, I could just buy
No, I
a
wasn't.
drum and be in the band.
Okay.
It's a little bit. It takes a lot
right.
more finesse than just theory and instrument introductions. I highly encourage.
Definitely going live next week because it'll be a lot more fun.
Starting band next